Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you would replace your high beam headlight on your 2016 Kia Sedona. So the high beam is right here. We have the side marker back here, the low beam, and then the high beam is right up here. And so you're just going to spin this cap a quarter turn of the counterclockwise, and then you have an electric connector in here where you just spin that another quarter turn counterclockwise, and then you have the light bulb here, and you just pull this away from there to unhook it from this connector, and then you would get a new one. And this is also an H7, so your low beam and high beam are both H7s. And so then you would take a new one. You do your best not to touch this light filament. Wear gloves, but you definitely don't want to touch it with your hands, because it will drastically, the oils from your hands will reduce the life of the light bulb. So then you take this, you line it, and you see we've got this little indent, and that's where this little flat piece goes. So line it up in there, press it together, and we see that's where it sets in there, and this sets around there. And then you put it back in there. Gonna just kind of line it up the best you can, and then turn it a quarter turn to the right, and then make sure it's locked in there, locked into place. And then just take your cap, put that back on, and turn that a quarter turn to the right to lock that into place. And so that's how you replace your high beam headlight on your 2016 Kia Sedona. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.